So we just got a box from Tyndale, and I have no idea what is in this. I don't know what they were sending us. From Tyndale House Publishers. The box got a little bit damaged, but looks like everything is still in there. And we'll see what we have here. So you get to learn with me, as I learn, what is in this thing. All right. I'm looking forward to seeing what's in this. So we have wide margin journaling edition with filament from the NLT. That looks interesting. What is that? That is black genuine leather. That looks nice. Looks like cowhide. I like that. So there's that one. Journaling Bible. Bunch of Bibles. Let's see. Student Life Application Study Bible. And that one is charcoal gray striped leather-like. Looks nice. I like that. Student edition, so it's a little bit smaller. Color, that looks good. Immerse, Luke and Acts, the reading Bible. So there's that. That looks good. So just Luke and Acts. Let's see, the filament giant print personal size. And that one is, let's see, olive green genuine leather. In this light, it's a little bit difficult to see that it's green, but it is definitely green. That's a dark green. And that also looks like cowhide. That is a really dark green. I like the look of that. So there's that one with matching ribbons, matching head tail bands. That's definitely giant print. And being filament, that means that you can scan that top of the page, scan the page number, and it'll bring up that page on your phone with all the notes and all the maps and all the things. Let's see, thin line reference, and this one is olive green genuine leather. So they have decided to send a whole lot of genuine leather, and this also looks like cowhide. I like the look of that. There's the thin line reference. Good size carry every day thin line edition. Looks good. Let's see, Student Life Application Study Bible, and this one is in teal blue striped leather-like. Good color. It's the same Bible as the other, just a different cover. So there's some of the interior. If I can get my hand out of the way. Full color. I have to separate the pages before we can do any reviews, because those are stuck a little bit. And then last is the large print thin line reference. I bet this is the same as that regular thin line reference, but it's just larger. And this was also olive green and genuine leather. And I'm convinced that's cowhide. That looks like cowhide to me. Yeah, that looks good. It's a good sized Bible right there. So we'll have to do some page separation on these, and then we'll get to doing our reviews. They're all filament editions. These look good. Alright, I appreciate Tyndale Publishing sending these, and we'll get to our reviews as soon as we can. Thanks.